Today I will talk about the pressurizer. 4 big building and high building are required to have staircase for exit. During any fire occurs, if have fire inside of building, then exhaust fan are automatically operated. So the pressure inside of the corridor are around 50 to 60 pascal. This pressure are able to open by the people inside. If the pressure is too high, more than 60 par, it will difficult to open the door or they cannot open. This will make all peoples dangerous by fire. So we must test it before operates the building. What happens during normal condition? Fire sprinkler pipe system is always filled with water. Pressure is maintained. Small leaks or temperature changes may reduce pressure. Jockey pump automatically starts to restore pressure. What happens when fire occurs? Step by step. 1. Sprinkler or hose opens. Heat from fire activates sprinkler head. Or fire hose valve is opened. 2. Pressure drops suddenly. Water flows out fast. Pipe pressure drops quickly. 3. Jockey pump stops being enough. Jockey pump is small. It cannot handle big water demand. 4. Main fire pump starts automatically. There are usually 2 main types. Electric fire pump. Diesel fire pump. These pumps provide high flow plus high pressure water.